I'm going to try this really lovely crunchy bit. What more can you want? Crispy, savoury. Subconscious food is all about getting you back in the driver's seat. We're taking into consideration the thoughts we think, the food we eat, and the inspired actions we take in order to manifest our desires. Today's mission is to eat a beautiful cauliflower steak packed full of nutrients, which I will mention in the description box below. For this delicious buffalo cauliflower steak, we are going to need a beautiful, preferably quite large cauliflower if you can find it. If not to worry. Some spices, I've gone for cumin, garlic, paprika, onion and pepper, and of course some salt in the background there. I've got some gram flour to make the batter, and in this bowl is just my half a cup of gram flour mixed with my spices. I'm going to add some water in and then cut up my cauliflower steaks, immerse them into the batter, pop them in the oven, and then I will tell you about the next step. I'm going to go ahead and cut up my delicious cauliflower steak. I'm going to go for this nice chunky piece in the middle here. I'm going to cut through. I'm going to go for a nice thick piece. Just over here. And what you have is this beautiful, large, beautiful piece of cauliflower. So this is the batter all mixed up, spices, gram flour and some water. I've gone for a really thin batter because we are going to be coating it in that buffalo and vegan butter sauce. So I definitely want to make sure it's crispy, but it's quite thin, almost healthy batter. So now we're going to dunk our cauliflower steaks in. Let's get it all nice and in there. Smells lovely and savoury. Then we get our parchment lined baking sheet ready. Just make sure it's all on. Grab it. And we are just going to place straight onto the sheet. Just grab another steak. Get all of those nooks and crannies. And the last steak, which is breaking up. We can make it wings. So, because these pieces are smaller, we may need to check on them sooner. That's fine. You can go for a thicker batter if you prefer, but I think it'll be quite nice and just crispy and a bit healthier too. So this is what my cauliflower steaks look like after they've been in the oven for about half an hour or so, they have developed a lovely crispy texture, although I think it could probably be a bit crispier, but we can allow that to happen when we put a lovely sauce on to that. So we're just going to do that now. Here are our steaks, nice and coated. We've used up pretty much all of that sauce. Now I haven't gone overboard with the sauce because I know it will still impart that lovely great flavour, but you know, still want to keep it light and healthy as possible. So we're going to get lovely crispy edges. I'm actually going to put it in quite low, probably around 160 degrees, probably for another half an hour, and we should get some beautiful crispy edges. For the wings, slightly less time, probably 15 minutes, and I will check on them very, very shortly. Here they are, guys, hot out of the oven. Oh, I can't wait to try these. They look absolutely delicious. And a great, great side, main, just a savoury snack. Beautiful cauliflower steaks. I'm actually going to go for a wing because it's easier to eat and it's exactly the same thing. It looks scrumptious. Okay, it's not focusing, but I'm so excited. Let's take a taste. Wonderfully crispy, very savoury. Heat comes through towards the end. Bit of like lemon juice maybe in that sauce. Absolutely delicious. I can taste those garlic granules. I can taste, you know, some of the seasonings I put in the batter coming through. Really, really Moorish. I'm really glad I used the gram flour as well, because it makes it a little bit healthier and it is gluten-free that way. I'm going to try this really lovely crunchy bit. What more can you want? Crispy, savoury. I mean, it doesn't taste like meat, but I think it's pretty close to it. Like, with this lovely wing flavour that you get when you eat wings that comes through. You've got quite a neutral flesh from the cauliflower, and if I had my eyes closed, I'd probably think it was a chicken wing, and then I'd be worried because I don't eat meat. But delicious. You've got to try this recipe, guys. You've got to try this recipe. I want to know how I can help you. I want to know how we can grow together. So comment down below. Let me know if you tried this recipe. Let me know what else you want me to make. And I'll see you next time. Bye.